Feelings, nothing more than feelings. Learning to use our feelings when diagnosing this bike. Calvin Jones here, Park Tool Company. Do you think I really care about your feelings? Well, actually I do. There are bike situations where our feelings, a sense of touch, can help us diagnose what's going on. That's what this is all about. This bike came in for chain work, that was it, but just pedaling it, even before putting anything on, we get an extra weird something. It's a kerchunk. Let's do that again. That's kind of weird. We want to know what's going on. We're going to dive inside that problem, diagnose it. That's where some feeling can come in, like bearing play. This sure could be bearing play. Zoop. So we're clunk hunting. Sometimes clunks can be bearing play. I grab this, I grab down here, and I go back and forth, and I'm not feeling anything. No bearing play. Something for sure is going on. It's nice to simulate the load and then try it. So I'm going to reach up here, grab that brake firm. Absolutely. Now I'm getting it. Something's going on. Okay, so I got to hold this and work here. I can't do that. I need a friend. Hold on. Truman! 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 Hey! Okay. Don't have any friends? Get yourself one of these. There we go. Pull that tight. Toe straps. What people used to use when they strap their toes. Holds the brake, and now I can go back here and focus. Let's go around to this side and look closer. To continue on the clunk hunt, this is where the sensitive touch can come in. The feeling of motion, often better touched than seen. Here, I'm going to grab the caliper body and the adapter. I have no motion. This is not moving up and down. It's not the problem. Between the adapter and the frame, I feel no motion. Not a problem. This clunking could be a loose rotor on the hub. I touch the rotor and then I touch the hub at the same time. Got nothing. Nothing there. Keep going. Skewer out here. No motion up and down. Ooh, axle. Yep, bingo. We have found it. Axle's moving up and down. All right, that's something's loose here. Probably what's loose is that skewer. So simply open it up, tighten it, close it. That's going to be a simple repair. Let's do it. Zoop. This should be a simple repair. Again, we're going to just open it up, tighten the adjusting nut, close it. It's going to be tighter. We're going to be done. I'm grabbing this, and it is tight. Tight. It shouldn't be. Is it really tight, or is it badly corroded? This is the open cam style of skewer. Everything's exposed to the environment here, and they can get corroded. That can make them kind of tough. Might need a little leverage right here. Plastic on the outside, steel on the inside, not to scratch. And there we are. Now we can get in there and pull that open. Okay. Let's go ahead and drop it, get some lube on that cam, and see what is going on. Come on down. And we'll have a look. Yes, corroded, but while we're here, let's also have a look at this hub adjustment. I pull on it. It's not broken. No broken axle. That's nice. The problem, let's see if try and turn it. Nope, I think it's locked against the jam nut's locked against the cone properly. I think really what we had probably was right here. Oh. It's small, but it's here. We found the clunk, but now it's a smaller animal. It's a little mouse. Can you hear it? Is it a mouse or the teeny Tin Man? Recall what the Tin Man said? Sure. No, not the heart, not the heart. some oil. We're gonna get some oil on that cam and it's gonna be a lot better. Oh yeah, look at that. Yum. Work that in. Oh boy. Why? Because when we shove this closed, you're going to be pulling on that shaft. That's going to be stretching it, give it some preload. We want the load in the thread. If this is corroded, we're losing energy here. We're losing our force, our pulling ability on the shaft. That is why it was clunking around. One last test. Axle protrusion, we should mention. This axle sticking out here should never be longer than the width of the dropout. That's a really thick dropout. That wasn't the problem here. And now the test. Did we do any good? Let's get it all the way up in the dropout. We're going to take the adjusting nut, turn it clockwise. We don't want this too tight, not too loose. Just right. Resistance about halfway through that swing. Pull it over. Yes. Did it work? Grab here. Clunk, be gone. So there we have it. It's done. What's left to say but feelings? Remember to use your feelings when hunting for those clunks. Cha-cha-cha from Park Tool.